wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a good day. I just wanted to bring a quick market update. If you watched the video this morning, we expected to come back down to this 80k Vwap, this low 85k Vwap place, and we said we'd probably gonna lose it and come down to at least the previous day Vwap, and we did just that. But we blasted right through her. We're right here at this golden pocket at the moment. Looking at market cipher B on the 2 hour, the Vwap is continuing down. You could see a small bounce on the lower time frames from this golden pocket, but I'm still leaning towards how I was leaning towards this morning, and that's coming down to this quarter 3 Vwap around 89-90k. Now I did place a new Vwap at 68, a 68 low on the daily. From right here, I did place this green Vwap. You can see it's held as support a couple of times. So if we do lose the golden pocket, we could see it catch at this 68k low Vwap. We could see her catch there. What is this, the daily? We got 2 hours before the daily closes. 1 hour, it looks like Vwap, I mean, we're not pinching the wave yet, so there could still be more downside. I'm still, like I said from this morning's video, everything has played out as we thought. I thought we'd hold the previous day, but it seems like we're holding the golden pocket as of right now. Let's look at the 20 minute. We are trying to put in some bottom waves on these lower time frames. Now that simply could mean we come up just a bit before continuing down, right? Because we could just put in some bull divs, which would call for lower prices. So it looks like we could be trying to catch a little bounce off of this golden pocket right now. But I feel like the Vwap on the 1 hour still has a little bit more side down. I feel like she's going to come up and probably come back down some more. Now she could cross over and we get a green dot and we do get a bounce from this golden pocket. But honestly, I'd be looking towards this 68k low Vwap, or maybe even the 786 for a bounce up. But ultimately, I think we do come down. I think we do come down and hit this quarter 3 Vwap, and then you might see a little bounce up. But overall, we're there's gonna be some moves to the downside, I feel like, because we know we're about to confirm on the 5 day a red dot on bull divs, not only on momentum but money flow as well. The same on the 7 day. We're about to confirm red dots in an hour and 50 minutes on bear divs on money flow as well. So 5 day bear divs on momentum, 5 day bear divs on money flow. Alright, and the weekly's already been rejected. We're putting in bear divs on the 3 weeks, so I mean we still have 12 days to go. Let's see, let's go ahead and see if we can't pull up a little 12 day time frame to see what she might be looking like. Okay. Here she is. 12 day Vwap is coming up. No, curving down, excuse me. She is curving down. She has a day to go, so I'd expect her to continue down. The daily, like I said, the daily Vwap is coming up, but there's no, this wave has gotten deeper since yesterday's video. Money flow is coming out. Okay, so I expect the Vwap to probably reject off the 0 line and continue down. She could not, but that's what I'd be expecting. If we do see a bounce from here, because we know if we lose these levels, we're probably going to come down to 90k. This 786 would be your best chance to hold if you don't want to see it touch that quarterly Vwap. But the leapfrog, the Vwap leapfrog is a thing for a reason. She'll probably lose this 65, excuse me, 68K low VWAP I placed, and she'll leapfrog down to this quarter 3 VWAP around 90K. Like I said, we are potentially putting in some bottom signals for a bounce at this golden pocket here on the 10, the 15, probably the 20 as well, indeed. So we could see a bounce here, but I would only take it back up probably to your intraday VWAP right here at about 99, 100K. 100K, once again, resistance. On the video last night, we said 100K was going to be strong resistance. You did come up above it, but you never closed any candles above 100K. So it was that resistance we said it would be. And you can see price rejected. Now, if we are getting a bounce, I would look at this 85K VWAP around 98.5. That's very possible we come up here and just continue down if this is the bounce. But if this is not the bounce, I would be looking at this 786, but more than likely this quarter 3 VWAP right here at 89K. Now we have an hour and some minutes, an hour and 48 minutes, something like that. Yeah, hour 48 minutes before the daily closes. I just wanted to bring a quick update to let everyone know of some key levels you can watch if we're not bouncing from the golden pocket. If we do bounce, you can expect 98.5. I would, if you long from this, I'd start pulling profit at the previous day VWAP here at 97.4, and then really start taking profits at 98.5. Just because there's more than pretend. Market Cipher is saying we have more downside. Okay. And we listen to Market Cipher. She doesn't lie to us. Best indicator. You don't need nothing else if you have Market Cipher. So I'd watch this 95K level. Okay, if we don't hold 95K, I'm just assuming we're coming down to 90. We're gonna hit this quarter 3 VWAP without a doubt. Not without a doubt. I don't want to give any absolutes, because there are really no absolutes with this. It can change on a dime. You know, we could hold 93K and blast off, right? But I just feel like this quarter 3 VWAP's definitely in play. We're going to keep an eye on it. I'll be back later this evening after the daily has reset. The daily VWAP has reset and we get some more data on it. Those are the key levels I'm watching for a bounce. We'll take it back up to 98.5, 100K. Those are going to be your big resistance zones to come back down. If we lose these levels, we're looking at potentially 95K could hold at this 68K low VWAP. If not, if we're not holding 93, I'm expecting 90K for sure. That's going to be our next logical area where we can see price maybe start to move sideways a bit. But that will do it for me. I'll be back later this evening. I hope everyone is having a good day and continues to do so. I'm out.